Hello children, we are on to the 11th part of motion in a plane. In this one you will be learning only one definition of vector multiplication of a vector by real number. After this we will move on to the problems. In the last class you have already been taught how to use trigonometric tables, means how to find sine of some angle theta, cosine of some angle theta or tangent. You have also been taught if at all value of a trigonometric ratio is given, you can find angle theta or any angle by using inverse trigonometric functions. So that has been taught in last class. Even though it was not detailed, but that much will suffice us our purpose, that much is sufficient. You can go through that video once or twice. You will learn how to find sine, cos, tan, etc. Detailed explanation will be given by mathematics lecturers. We don't have that much time to spare, and our time is very less, so we will deal with problems next. Now next definition which we are learning is multiplication by real number to a vector. See what happens, multiplication of a vector by real number means n you can take, number 4, number 5, 6 like this, or 6.8. Okay. When a vector A is multiplied by a real number n, then magnitude of vector is increased by n times. Means what? If a vector A is there, okay, suppose this vector is say something like 8i, something like that, 8i cap. This vector A is 8i cap, means I cap means vector along a x-axis. Suppose this vector A is multiplied by n, then what is total answer? Vector A dash I will call. Vector A dash will be n times vector A. N as it is, say n is something like 4 we will take. N is 4. The number is multiplied with 4. What happens? N is 4. Vector A how much? Vector A 8i. So 8 4s are 32 I cap. Earlier vector A was how much? Only 8. It has now become how much? 32. It is increased by how many times? N times. N means how much? 4 times. 4 times 8. 4 times earlier vector is increased. Okay, like that. I believe you have followed. See, if a velocity vector is say some 10 meters per second. What is momentum? Momentum is P. Momentum is quantity of motion possessed by the body. Quantity of motion present in the body is called momentum. Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Concentrate. Velocity is vector, mass is scalar. Real number is multiplied with the vector. Mass is say some 2 kilograms, 2 kg. Velocity vector is how much? 10. So it has become how much now? 20 kg. This is a kg. This is meters per second. Kg meters per second is momentum. Because of multiplication by real number, what has happened to the value? Increased or decreased? 10 has become 20. Increased, depending on how much you multiply that thing with. Okay, so it is changed by m times the earlier vector. So this is multiplication of a vector by real number. Next we will solve some problems. First of all, a stone. Children, you have to write these problems in your assignment book or else fair book. Fair book, if it is possible, do it. Otherwise, in your assignment book, by seeing this video, write this entire problem. For a while, I will give the pause so that I can save the time. Well, look at the problem carefully, children. They have said a stone is projected. Project here means throw. A stone is projected with velocity 10 meters per second at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find maximum vertical height, time of flight, horizontal range. D. Also find maximum range. Now what is difference between range and maximum range we will learn. Please see, draw diagram which is not at all important in this problem, but it will give you an idea how to deal with the problem. Velocity I will write u, how much? 10 meters per second. They have asked what is height, they have asked what is range. At how much angle the body is thrown? This body is thrown at an angle of how much? For simplicity I will take 30 degrees. It is thrown at 30 degrees. They have asked height, they have asked range, they have asked time of flight. How much time it takes to come here? Stone is thrown. What has to be done is, our very first formula is, what is first thing asked? Height. Vertical h question mark. We have h is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g. This formula should be at the tip of the tongue. You will tell, sir, in derivation you wrote different formula. Listen here, in our derivation, this velocity, no, we wrote v0. Today I will write u, v0 and u same, initial velocity like that. You need not be bothered. What is the velocity? 10 square sin square theta. Theta is how much? 30 degrees. 2. G is acceleration due to gravity. Don't think body is going up, sir. It is ready-made formula. G is 9.8 if not given. If it is given, put whatever they give. 9.8 meters per second square. Acceleration due to gravity. So it should be written as 9.8. 10 square is 100. Sin 30, you should see in the table, 30 degrees, 0 minutes. This in sine table, natural sine table, not logarithmic sine. This answer is 0.5000. This means it is 0.5. So you should write sin 30 as 0.5, square of that, whole thing divided by 2 into 9.8 is 19.6. 0.5 square is 0.25. 0.25 divided by 19.6. 100 into 0.25 is 25. 25 divided by 19.6. This answer is going to be, I have got the calculator also. Let us see. 25 divided by 19.6. So the answer is 1.275. 1.275 meter. So height, maximum vertical height we have got. What is option B? This thing should be written in the notebook. Please see, it should be written in the notebook. Next thing what is asked is, let me see whether it shines here or not. I think it will be visible. Let us see. Option B is time of flight, question mark. Time of flight means time for the total journey. Idhar se idhar tak, how much time it takes, that is called time of a flight. This time of flight is 2u sin theta upon g. T as it is, 2 as it is. What is the value of velocity? 10. Sin theta is how much? 30. Divided by g is how much? 9.8. 2 into 10 is 20. 30 sin 30 is 0.5. Sin 30 is 0.5. Just now we had seen here. Sin 30 is 0.5. Whole thing divided by 9.8. So this T, 10 upon 9.8, almost 1 point, what we get, God knows. 1.1 I will write, so many seconds. Don't write SEC, no, not like this. Either yes or fully, if you want you can write second, this way. This is problem number B. What is problem number C? Horizontal range. Listen, this is range. At how much angle it is thrown? Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Range is asked. Range is given by, at 30 degrees the ball is thrown, stone is thrown with velocity 10. They are asked what is the value of range. Range is displacement along the horizontal. R is given by u square sine 2 theta upon g, standard formula. U is how much? 10 square. Sine 2 theta is 30 degrees divided by g is 9.8. If not given 9.8, sometimes they will give in the problem only here only. Take g is equal to 10. If they give 10, don't take 9.8. Take whatever they give. If they don't give, take 9.8. 100, 2 into 30 is 60, sine 60 means 60 degrees 0 minutes in sine table you should find. It is exactly 0.8660. So this answer is 0.866 divided by 9.8. So it will be 86.6 upon 9.8. .836. Range means distance. Distance is measured in meter. It is measured in meter. So this is range. Next, in the same problem, there is slight twist. This is 8 meter, almost 9 meter range. They want problem number D, also find maximum range. For maximum range, highest distance, what should be angle of projection? 45 degrees. Range is maximum for 45 degrees. So problem number D, range is max for theta is equal to 45 degrees. That is R max is equal to u square sine 2 into 45 divided by g. That is u square by g. It will become sine of 2 into 45 sine 90. Sine 90 is always equal to 1, but sine 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, R max is equal to, maximum range is equal to u square upon g. U is 10 square, g is 9.8, 100 upon 9.8. You just check and see what is the answer. 100 upon divided by 0.8, it is 10.2. 10.2 meter. Earlier range is range for angle 30 degrees. They want maximum range. For maximum range, angle should be 45. This is the answer. So these are very simple problems. Practice it once or twice. You will understand. Next problem we will move on to. Same problem, similar thing you will write. Velocity of, instead of stone I will write ball. A ball is thrown with velocity 20 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees with horizontal. Find its velocity after t is equal to 1 second. Means what? When you threw here, when you threw from here, whenever you throw, time 0 you should take. 0 se start karne ka. You should start with 0. When 0 seconds was time, what was velocity? 20. Velocity was how much? 20. Please concentrate. 0 second, 0.5, 1. When t is 1 second, I will redraw this one. I will redraw. draw bigger diagram for this, like this you draw. This is how much time is equal to, 0 second, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Here time how much? 1 second. Means ball has come from here till here in how many seconds? 1 second. 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. It will fall. Now please see. I'll write t is equal to 1 second. 1 second t. How much is u? Initial velocity how much? 20. This 20 is divided into horizontal component and vertical component. And what is the angle of projection? 60 degrees. Children, wherever theta is there, you should write a cos theta. But what is the angle given? Cos theta is how much? Cos 60. But behind this you should write u. U is main vector. U cos 60. Here what it is? U sin 60. It is u sin 60. Now they are asking after 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.1, 1 second, how much is velocity? They are asking how much is velocity. This is a 20 meters per second initial velocity. Here it is not here, it is here. 20 is initial velocity, v is final velocity question mark. This is horizontal velocity. It will remain u cos 60, which we will call it as ux, we will call it as vx. Vx means a horizontal velocity. This ball will have vertical velocity, we will call it as vy. What we will call it as? Vy. You know how to add the vectors. This is a horizontal, this is vertical. This is called vector sum of u, vx and vy. This is total velocity. This will subtend an angle of alpha, we'll imagine. What they asked, very simple, I made it very complicated. See, a stone is thrown with 20 at an angle 60. They are asked after 1 second, 1 second ke baad, like 1 hour ke baad, whether you are in Belgaum or Bellary like that. After 1 second, what is velocity of this stone? Velocity of this stone ball will be total of vector sum of horizontal and vertical. ये horizontal और vertical दोनों add किया तो total velocity will get. Okay, like that. It is simple only, but entrance examination only 1 mark. You have to take my words. See children, first I will study for horizontal motion. For horizontal motion, velocity, let me see whether it is visible or not. It is visible. Velocity along horizontal Vx is equal to u cos theta. But what is the value of u? 20. Cos theta is how much? Theta is how much? 60. Cos 60 is 0.5. 0.5 into 20 is how much? 10 meters per second. Horizontal velocity remains same. Here 10, here also 10, here also 10, here also 10. Horizontal velocity remains same. But vertical velocity, if it is u sin 60, say some 10, it will become 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. It keeps on changing. Now let us see. Horizontal is found. ui means u initial. How do you find? U sin theta. U is how much? 20. Sin 60. 20 into sin 60 is, sin 60 is how much? 0.8660. This one how to multiply? 20, okay, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. 2 8 are 16 plus 1 17. 3 decimals means 17.32 UI meters per second. So it will be 17.32 meters per second. Next, what we will be learning is whether it is clear or not. Clear it is. No issues. This is vertical initial velocity. What is final velocity? Vy. Using v is equal to u plus at. What is final velocity? Vy. Vertical. Vertical. What is vertical velocity? Ui. Acceleration, we'll see. Vy as it is. What is vertical initial velocity? Vertical initial velocity 17.32. What is acceleration in upward direction? Minus 9.8. What is the value of time till here? T is 1 seconds, so you should write 1. 17.32 minus 9.8. Or we'll reduce our burden. We'll take G is equal to, we'll take G is equal to let it be 9.8. This will be 2 minus 0, 2, 13 minus 8, 5, carry 1, 17 minus 10 is 7, Vy, 7.52 meters per second. Please see here children, here, horizontal velocity remains 10 only. Here, after 1 second, vertical velocity, ऊपर की तरफ, vertical velocity becomes 7.52. What is total velocity? Total velocity is, it is Vx square plus Vy square plus 2 Vx Vy cos theta. Sir, how this has come? Resultant of two vectors, yes, p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. I will call it as cos delta. Cos delta. What is the angle between, not alpha, what is the angle between Vy and Vx? This delta is equal to how much? 90 degrees. This angle delta is, this total angle delta is 90 degrees. You can draw this one also. So I will write here it as V is equal to, what is Vx? Vx is equal to 10 square plus Vy is how much? 7.52 the whole square minus, 2 Vx Vy cos 90 I will write. What is the angle between Vx and Vy? 90. So cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. 0 into this thing will be how much? 0. This term will be 0. If you solve this one, it will be 100 plus 7.52 square. Let us see. Add these two and find square root 12.51 meters per second. So this is velocity after how much time? 1 second. This problem you have to look at least 2-3 times to understand. It is not difficult. You may not believe entrance exam only 1 mark, it will be asked for. But with proper values in which square roots will be very easier. Now let us see. Children, V gives magnitude, magnitude means value, number, how much? 12. But who gives direction for this ball? Alpha gives direction, alpha is given by, alpha is equal to, or tan alpha is equal to